pretty good review on the 185, and there wasn't a whole bunch of difference on price. I think these are paid $2.99 on eBay for these, and I think you can get the same on Amazon. All right, the simple stuff, and like it shows, it's the 3 models. They look all the same. We'll see if they're any difference. They have some consumables that they're going to give in the package. I'm going to go out and buy better stuff. Here's the 120 to 240, 220. Got the ground strap, the gas line. Surprise, that's kind of cool. Still got to buy a radiator, I'm pretty much sure, for arc welding. Not really going to use this. I bought this pretty much for TIG. Only concerns I have, that I've seen some reviews, there's some issues with the TIG torch, but with the high frequency start, that's one I wanted for sure. I mean, I've done lift TIG, but I really don't. They've got some consumables. I'm going to replace pretty much everything. I mean, I'm going to stay pretty much with the same size, but it's going to go buy some better quality stuff. TIG torch seems, I think, I want to say, I got to take a look, but I know I'm 6 foot, so this has got to be a good, like a 12-foot gun. For the hookup for the gas, for the high frequency start. Some rods for stick welding. Alright guys, so a couple things to go over. On other videos I've watched, this post flow, that was the questionable button. When they were adjusting it, which we'll see once I get my gas hooked up, from 1 to 9, they were getting 1 second, which you would think 1 to 10 would be 10-second delay. They were getting in from 9 to 10, they were getting like a total of 6 seconds, so it seemed like the button was like real sensitive. I don't know how this button's gonna work. When we get the gas hooked up, we'll go from there. You know, the current, stick or MIG, overprotection in it. The gas line in the back hooks up 120 or 220. Grounds, consumables, TIG, ground. It's pretty decent. I'm gonna order a regulator, like I said, and then that's it. It'll be good to go, and we'll do a test on it, and I'll have a video probably by the first of the week on it, and we'll see how it performs. I'm sure it'll be fine for what I'm gonna do. Well under 1/4 inch I'm gonna use. Just some real places on this project that I'm doing. I just need something besides a MIG that I can do some finer, a little more detail, a little bit better welding. I'm gonna be getting a 72 Volkswagen. We're gonna chop top the roof, and then we're gonna gut the pan out at the same time. I'm gonna build a frame. That's going to happen pretty quick. I'm going to build a frame jig next week, get the body on and on top of it. We'll start the chop top first, and then I'm going to build a frame, and then it's going to get an LS in the front of it. I'm already working on picking up the LS, or actually an old block for mock-up purposes, 4-link it in the back. I mean, that's a mouthful for what I just said. I have a feeling it's, at least I'm being realistic, saying 1.5 years, maybe 2 years tops. It just depends right now. I got a couple motorcycles for sale, and if they sell, then things will move a little bit quicker. If not, with this pandemic, it'll go a little slower. But I'd like you guys to check out those videos and comment. Tell me what you think. If you like it, subscribe for those up-and-coming videos and click like. Or if you don't like it, you just want to talk shit to me, I'm up for that too. But tell me what you think. I think it's a good little deal. Thank you guys.